Okay, and we're back with Miss Coffee, your favorite teacher. Yes, you don't have a choice. Okay, so now we're going to talk about arc measures. What arc measures? So it's weird. So we know how angles have degree measures. Well, arcs also have degree measures. Okay, so it's just going to be how many degrees, for example, is this arc AC out of 360, right? So the arc measure is the degrees out of 360. So 10 degrees, 20 degrees, 150 degrees, 180 degrees, okay? So the important thing to know about arc measures is this formula, okay? The measure of the arc measure, will always equal its central angle. So look at the diagram. For example, we would say the measure of the arc AC, so I'm talking about this arc right here, and see how we put a little M there? That's for measure. The measure of AC is equal to the measure of the angle ABC, right? And since in the diagram I told you ABC is 30 degrees, that means the arc, so the measure of AC, is equal to 30 degrees, right? Ta-da, you're a genius. Okay, well, what if I said, let's put another point here on the circle. Let's call this point D. What if I said to find the measure of arc ADC, which remember is a major arc, and I talked about how that's more than 180. So for that, I'm trying to get the measure of this arc all the way around. Boopity boop boop, like that. Okay? So I know all the way around a circle is 360, you guessed it. So to get the rest of that arc, all you got to do is take 360 and subtract that 30, right? Oh, sorry. What? Miss Coffee, what are you doing? 360 minus 30, and you get 330 degrees. So that's going to be the measure of this major arc. It's also the measure of this angle here. It's just weird because we usually don't talk about angles that are more than 180. So now we are kind of talking about angles that are more than 180, but they're definitely going to be less than 360. So no more than 360, okay? So that's 330 for that arc right there. Make sense? Kind of, sort of? Okay. Once you have that written down, go ahead and try this example, and then we're going to do it together. Okay? Okay. This is so fun.